You're on camera.
Standing like this.
There's flies out here.
This is a photo.
Who's that?
It's about, what, 7 a.m.
7:30.
on Saturday morning, and we just came to Point Henry, and the Spirit of Tasmania is just drifting past. Where did we get these coffees from?
A place called Mercy Cafe.
How did you like your coffee?
I enjoyed my coffee, it was very smooth.
What now?
CrossFit.
Going to CrossFit Raven?
Yeah.
Drop in 9:15?
And then watch Eliza do some exercise. Team quarterfinals.
We've got a team workout tonight. And the way it works, in your team, you're going to complete 50 alternating dumbbell snatch, synchronized, and then you're going to move into 50 toes to bar, synchronized, then 30 reps each, then 20 reps again. So there's a little bit of a twist to this. With your alternating dumbbell snatch, remember this is going to be synchronized in 18, not 4. 10 seconds. And go!
We knew she was here already.
Is my acting on point?
Good job.
I've only been here for a couple of months, but I'll show you what I know. This is where we have coffee. This is our lovely chatting. This is Birdie.
I've seen Birdie on some of the Instagram. Hi Birdie,
This is Mickey.
Nikki, nice to meet you.
You can actually buy coffee here.
So you can, yeah, so because there's not, a coffee shop just around the corner, this is the coffee shop.
Barista skills.
Right.
Have you already seen this?
Yeah, we pointed Eliza out.
Have you seen me? There.
Second.
Do you want to be in the documentary?
Let's do a gym tour.
This is like open gym area. This is where everyone sort of comes in, open gym. So many machines. Usually if there's a machine in a workout, take it over there, but this is all the equipment side. Now come outside, this is my favorite
I wanted
part.
to have a look at the outdoor space.
Outdoor
it's huge
area.
out here.
Whenever we do like big, like they had the big Easter workout out here, put all of the rowers and bikes that way, put the skis here as well,
Yep.
so everyone's out here. Sled pushers on here as well.
These
Yeah.
fans are awesome.
They are so good. They're not like fast, it just moves so much air and it cools down, like, because it's such a big space, it cools down the entire space.
Are these logs for get-overs?
Yeah, so they got 4 of them. They do an annual Raven in-house comp and they usually use them for like partner get-overs. And in there is there's like handstand walk, like slalom poles, there's all the
stuff.
competitive stuff
That doesn't come out very
It doesn't,
often.
yeah. Quarters training and stuff like that. The team usually uses it.
Yeah, right.
How many rig spaces are there?
How many?
Them.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 19, 20, 21.
And then
21 plus
a couple over there.
3 there and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here.
So like 12 lifting racks or something.
7, 8, 14, 15, 16. 16
massive.
lifting spaces. Plus they've got like the long rope rings there.
And the shorter ones
And
on
the
the
shorter
actual-
ones underneath.
Have you liked the programming? Are you enjoying it?
Love the program.
Yeah.
Who does the programming?
Emily and Matt. Benches. How many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then they've got like the incline benches for a bit of bodybuilding.
It's like the bro sesh.
This is the bro sesh area. You see all the big boys over here just dumbbell
How big
pressing.
do the dumbbells go up to?
That's a 42 and a half.
Stuff.
Little, what's that?
Oh yeah, monkey's feet type things. Oh, they're to hang upside down.
Oh. I haven't hung up.
2 GHDs, Juzzy. On average, how many GHDs does a CrossFit gym have?
And the consensus is 1.5.
I would agree.
How many did Bells Beach have?
1.
Yeah, we've got 1.
Somewhere between. So
And
between
Breakwater had 1.
Yep.
And Geelong, I think, has 2.
That's 1 on average. 4
Yeah.
gyms.
Sandbags? Pounds. Are they accurate? Ugh.
Are they accurate?
It feels like 100 pounds. 200 worm.
Doing a video every day.
A day in the life of you exploring CrossFit gyms.
Well,
This is the first one we've explored.
You know
Oh,
what I was thinking before? I haven't told you this yet, so I'm going to do it on the camera. Well, I probably can't hear me because I'm not here. I thought before, while you guys were talking, I was like, maybe we should try and go to 100 CrossFit gyms.
And that would be 100 videos.
Yeah.
that could be cool.
And this could be number 1.
Yep.
First one on the list.
1 done. So 100 CrossFit gyms starting today.
It's funny that we started at the one that's 3 hours away from our home gym.
Yeah, but that's an easy, our home gym's now an easy number 2.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, haven't you done Dauntless yet?
No.
Oh.
This is number 1.
This is not, haven't even done your home gym.
Because this started as, what will we video for the weekend? How about we go down to Geelong and watch Eliza do quarterfinals, and the video can be about Eliza doing quarterfinals.
And then you just got to add a gym tour as well.
Yeah, and then while we're here, we might as well do a little bit of a tour. And what we'll slowly learn is like, what do people really care about gym tours? Like, what do they want to know? Like, when you come in here, there's 8 of every machine. So if there's machines in the workout, you don't have to feel like you're dancing around other people to like do stuff. Is there anything else that you want to put? Oh, look at all the bags down that corner, Juzzy.
The remains of deceased businesses.
They'd be some fun like extras to have.
There's a lot of workouts with sandbags. 'Cause,
Do
like,
you?
There's so many of those
Yeah.
green ones. And like if that's the women's weight, the black's the men's weight, like that's 20 people. Lots of sandbag running. Hard work.
Oh, running with them.
Yeah, like a on the shoulder.
Yep.
This one. Oh, on the wall.
It was so awkward. I was like,
How'd you go last night?
we're redoing.
Oh, you're redoing it?
What was last
Cool.
night's workout?
500-meter row, handstand push-ups, chair, 50 synchronized wall balls, male pair goes, female pair goes, and then male pair goes backwards.
Yeah, okay.
And I got so many no rep wall balls because the synchro has to be the target.
Oh, what? Oh, that's tricky.
What are you doing this morning?
Every 2 minutes, front squat, burpee over bar, and then in the remaining as many muscle ups. And then we're doing the one you did.
We scaled it and it still sucked.
Did it?
Well, yeah, but you'll crush it.
You'll be fine.
Yeah.
It won't be like too high pace because you have to do it synchro.
Synchro, yeah.
Time to breathe. I slowed down in the last round, the pace.
Yep.
But I think that benefited my muscle ups.
In fairness, you weren't that much slower. Like
Yeah.
8 seconds isn't really that much slower.
Yeah. I had to keep saying to myself, elbows up.
Yeah.
Elbows up.
What did your team finish in the Open?
We came 38th, and I think there was over 100 teams.
And what do you got to come to go to Torian?
Top 30. But these workouts, there's a lot more lifting.
which suits everyone else
Except for you.
except for me. And the weights are a little bit heavier.
Heavier, yeah.
So 56 is the shoulder overhead and front squat weight.
It's 93.
93. The boys are 83 for the front squat. Yeah.
Are you worried about the shoulders overhead, or is that okay?
A little bit, because under fatigue, I think my core goes a little bit, but I'll belt up and that will do magic, right? It always helps.
How did this one feel with the weight?
It was good. Where'd you go for dinner last night?
We went to the inn.
Nice.
Actually, Justin had a question about that too.
Yeah.
He's like, as Eliza sent us to like Geelong's pugs.
Literally, no, it is. Yeah. There's parties all the time.
Yeah, there's like cocktail bar,
Yeah, but-
DJ stuff. No one in there except for us having dinner, and I was like,
But the food was good.
But like,
Are we the people that when you walk past pugs and there's people eating dinner,
you're like,
everyone's
what the fuck?
Yeah, why are those people
Go there for work lunches because it's right across from work.
But the food was good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
the food
Palmers
was
are good.
great.
Did you have a Palmer?
I had a backstrap and Jazzy had a
Nice.
burger.
Like a
The bao buns are real good.
spice. Oh, Korean fried chicken burger.
Same chicken.
Yeah, same chicken. Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah.
So we had goat's cheese balls.
Oh,
Oh,
yummy.
it's okay, yeah. Except so we specifically ordered goat's cheese balls, and the girl that took our order read it back to us and goes, "So I'll get you the goat's balls." It's like,
You don't pay for camping, right?
yeah.
Oh, you do?
$30 to stay at the showgrounds, but it's like
That's pretty good.
it's pretty good because it's like $60 to stay at.
Caravan park.
Yeah.
In
So
New Zealand, caravan parks are like $20 and they're so fucking good.
it's like they used to be in Australia.
Hostel set up with all like kitchen cooktops, like
Yeah. And obviously it's school holidays and a weekend, but I googled a couple around the area near the beach, and they
Yeah.
were like 110
oh
bucks
yeah,
a night for
like
a
Ocean
site.
Grove. I can imagine would be like over 100.
So I looked at the showgrounds. It was like $30. We
Stupid.
arrived after dark and left before sunrise, so it didn't really matter where we were
Yeah.
pulled up. The other weird thing we did this morning, we went to. We were just looking on the map. We got a coffee and we wanted to go somewhere that had a view. So we went to Point Henry. Do you know where that is?
No.
You wouldn't know.
It's like.
I mean, you might know, but
it's-
you would never go there.
It's a really cool spot where you can see the ocean. The Spirit of Tasmania was coming past right as we got there.
What suburb?
like
like
if you were at
Geelong?
Geelong
Yeah,
waterfront and you went around to the next point,
Towards
Yeah.
Ocean Grove. But it's
but
like.
on the other side of
So it's cool, but it's also like a wasteland where a factory used to be, and there's an old abandoned factory out there.
I think I know what you're talking
Yeah.
about. Yeah.
It's weird.
Interesting.
Anyway, we got some cool drone footage, but it was also just odd.
Queenscliff's cool for the Spirit of Tassie
Yeah.
as it like goes through.
Yeah, well,
It's a good swimming spot, and then you see the Spirit of Tassie go past. I hope we don't have to redo that one because my wrist is super sore.
Why didn't you take that?
Because it just like rolls up, and Matt was doing 8, and then I was doing until 15. So what's that? 7. I think first round I did 8, and then I dropped to 7, and then maybe 6 in the last round.
And these
So-
guys were doing, like, was the goal 15?
They were doing between like 11 and 14. Yeah. I'm happy with our score because we were aiming for 120 muscle ups, and we got 144.
Oh, okay. That's good then.
Yeah.
What is your training for this?
I have been doing a class every day, and then in the last, maybe since the Open, cherry picking the programming
the
off
last 2 weeks.
prepared, yeah, off prepared to do a bit more like complex move, like ring muscle ups, GHDs, and a bit heavier.
But
Lifting.
in general, what, 5 classes a week usually? Yeah. And that's it.
Or sometimes 4 classes, and then I've been doing a running day.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Matt's been to the games, yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
As M.
Yes. They're games athletes.
Is
That's
that
cool.
intimidating?
Yeah.
It is, being
is.
on a team with a games athlete. Or 2 games athletes.
Yes, it is.
And you were paired up with Matt for that workout?
Yeah, they have enough experience to like mesh with my pacing. So I just have to remember, just go with my pacing, and then they will accommodate,
So-
which what went wrong yesterday. I panicked because I was like, I have to go real fast on the wall balls, but I was just failing in the end, and it was better off. I know.
So,
But it's just like, I gotta keep up. Yeah, I've just gotta do my own thing. Stay composed.
So are they saying slow down? Slow
Yes,
down?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because obviously, they have a lot more experience. But that was perfect. That was perfect.
So you executed above plan?
Yeah.
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 No repeats for that one.
My wrist
When's the
can't-
plan for the rest of the workouts?
So we're doing one more today. We're doing workout number 2 today. So snatches, toaster bar, the one you did this morning. We will do the deadlift, shoulder overhead one tomorrow, and also repeat the workout number 3. We'll repeat the wall ball one tomorrow as well.
Yep.
We did all 4 in one day last year because everyone was working and stuff. Oh my God.
Do you want to do a backflip?
No. I need to save my energy. Well, how did you like Ravens?
It was awesome.
Yeah, we had fun.
We had a great time.
It's a vibe. Team's a vibe.
If anyone wanted to come and drop in with you, when do they come?
I train at 5:15 a.m. every morning.
never.
So you can come then. Or Saturday, 8:15.
How many people are here at 5:15 a.m?
Between 12 and 20, probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Are they always 2 coaches?
Yes, majority of the time. And then one demos, one briefs.
Yep.
Then they swap.
And that's always
The
been
next
how
class.
they've done it too.
Yeah.
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 Who's your favourite coach?
Oh.
Oh, this is hard. I really like Alex. Alex
Yeah.
is great. If you're in Geelong, definitely do a drop-in. The community's really good. Coming from Dauntless, it was very high expectations, but Raven has met them, and it's, good fun. Overall, good vibes.
How can people follow your journey to Torian?
Follow CrossFit Raven on Instagram. You'll see us at Torian.
Woo.
Is this just a photo?
It will be, yeah.
Okay. Do I go?
Yep. Very, very nice. What did you think of CrossFit Raven?
Big space, lots of equipment, lots of room. There were 16 people in that class and it didn't feel like there was
Nah.
more than 5
The
there.
gym felt empty, actually,
Yeah.
even with 16 people in class. It is huge.
It's a massive gym. We probably only used 1/3 of the space.
Yeah.
No, they were good coaches. They were very clear.
Lockie, the coach, came up and introduced himself to us, told us what we needed to know, where everything was, and when the class would start. Very friendly.
They were very friendly.
And there was a good vibe too between the classes. Like the class before us was finishing, everyone was having a good time, and same with the class that was about to start. Everyone was friendly and saying hello, and so they're doing something right. Are we going to go to 100 CrossFit gyms?
We might.
It's very non-committal. Okay,
We will.
We'll revisit that
We will go to 100 CrossFit gyms. There just won't be a time frame on it.
and film it. Well, I figured that if we do average 2 a week, that's 2 years.
2 a week?
Hang on, no, that's 1 year.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's one.
Oh, that's not too bad. Why was my maths so off?
I don't know. So 1 a week would be 2 years.
Average 1 a week would be 2 years. Average 2 a week is only a year. Okay, so we could do it in a year.